god. I look kinda, Sorry, I was looking for what the frick? You look like SpongeBob about to rob me at the bank. Hold on. Those are good. Hello, it is I, Salem, your favorite internet uncle. I look extra ugly. It's probably because I'm using Peniel's camera. You can see my under eye circles in HD. You can see my chapped lips in HD. Anyways, so apparently the YouTube algorithm is favoring people who have like 4K and up cameras. So YouTube really said like if you're poor, they don't care about you. But anyways, I'm using my sister's setup today because this is a very special video because this is gonna be my first ever Halloween video. My very first transformation Halloween costume makeover extravaganza. I'm going to be transforming myself into a mermaid. I know what you're thinking, but every YouTuber has done that. Even Troom has done one. Hopefully my video also gets 16 million views. Haha, just kidding. Unless? But yeah, I'm just gonna go for like this elvish, Celtic, foresty, ethereal, very much that. If y'all don't get it, then just wait till the end of the video to see what I mean. So this is also going to be a hair tutorial for mermaid waves. It is going to be a little bit different from my actual hair care routine, which if y'all haven't seen that, you should go watch. And y'all already know when it comes to hair care, I really trust one brand, and that is Not Your Mother's. Not Your Mother's is an amazing hair brand that I've loved for a very long time. They specialize in many hair types, and they do so while being cruelty-free, like, Queen. They are also very affordable, which I always appreciate in a brand. If y'all have seen my last hair care video, and you know that I genuinely love them, and I've been personally using their products for a very long time. So when they agreed to do a Halloween collab with me, I cried. So thank you so much to Not Your Mother's for sponsoring yet again another video. And don't forget that y'all can get all these products at your local Ulta, so swim on down there and snatch you some of these products. Get it? Swim? Like swing on down? But swim? 'Cause mermaid? Anyways, thank you again to Not Your Mother's. Oh my god, I found you. Oh.
Yo, what up, my homie? It's mi compa, eh?
Oh my god, prom photo. So I ended up getting diamond net tights so I can put over my face to create the illusion of scales, and I also got some face jewels. I know it says that it's for angles, but I'm still going to use it for this look anyways. And aside from that, I also got some mini seashells and pearls from Walmart so I can put on my face, and some other really cute beads from Amazon. So yeah, let's get into this. So my hair is detangled, and now I'm gonna go wash my hair because today's my wash day. But we're going to be using different types of products. So let's go to the shower. So now I'm in the shower, and I'm going to be using a total of 4 items for my wash day, but the very first item I'm going to be using is the Blue Sea Kale and Pure Coconut Water Sea Mineral Shampoo with weightless hydration and electrolyte minerals. This is from the Not Your Mother's Natural line, so all of these are 98% derived ingredients. This also has no dyes, no glutens or sulfates or silicones. This shampoo really helps just really cleanse your hair without harsh chemicals. it feels really good while you're washing it out. Speaking of which, we should probably wash this out. So the very next item we're going to be using is the Blue Sea Kale and Pure Coconut Water Sea Mineral Conditioner, which is also from the Not Your Mother's Natural line, which means that there's 98% derived ingredients, and it's filled with a bunch of vitamins and minerals to give your hair that healthy and vibrant look. This conditioner really leaves your hair really hydrated and just very smooth without feeling very heavy. The next two items I'm going to be using are from the Not Your Mother's Beach Babe line. The very first item I'm going to be using is the one on the right, the Beach Babe Texturizing Sea Salt Spray, which adds texture and grit for tousled waves with a matte finish. It also has sea salt and kelp. After that, I'm going to be using the one on the left, which is the Beach Babe Soft Waves Sea Salt Spray, and it smells amazing. This one helps add texture and separation for tousled waves with added softness. This one also has sea salt, kelp, and aloe. So I'm completely done with my hair routine. As you can tell, it's already forming a lot of waves, but for now I'm gonna set them on my back so they can just dry, and let's get into the makeup. So I'm going to be using this milk concealer. It has some spots on it, but just ignore it. So I'm like super excited for Halloween, and speaking of Halloween, I look terrifying already. Anyways, alright, so let's move on to the next step, which is nose contour. I'm going to be using the Milk Contour stick thingy majig, and y'all already know the drill. I'm gonna make my nose look like it was dipped in pudding or whatever. So I guess meanwhile I do all this stuff because my nose like takes forever, I guess we can talk about spooky things. I find that people aren't honest when talking about their fears. Like when I was a kid and I would go to like sleepovers or whatever, and we would just like talk about like, oh, what is our biggest fear or our secrets and everything, right? And every girl would be like, oh my god, I'm scared of spiders. And they'd be like, oh my god, Salem, what's your biggest fear? And I'd just be like, that death is inevitable. Let's just say I never went back to Stacy's house, which is fine because her mom didn't even make good brownies, so who cares? Like, I've always been like a kid that's just scared of everything. I also never watched scary movies. However, if I'm being completely honest, Coraline is scary. Like, I still like it, but it's still scary. Also, next I'm going to be using this Laura Mercier finishing powder, cover up the fact that I don't know how to do makeup. Like, I remember watching that movie as a kid at the $3 movies. Yes, the $3 movies is a thing, and yes, I'm poor, but I wanted to go watch it. I finally mustered up the courage to go watch something spooky. But I remember like at first watching it, I was like, you know what, this is not that bad. Like, when Coraline finally met the other mother, at the beginning when she like totally wasn't evil, even I was like, you know what, she got a good fam. Like, she got invited to a whole smorgasbord. They had like turkey and mashed potatoes, and that gravy, even though it was animated, looked delicious. 12-year-old me was shook. Even I was considering it. Like, instead of the other people who were watching that was like, no, Coraline, don't go through that door, I was like, Coraline, you better stay. She even got you Gucci, bro. Like, she was hyping you up, always making you feel good. Like, stay, sis. And I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill palette that I got like 5 years ago. I remember there's a part of Coraline where the other mother was basically like, come stay here with me, live with me. All you gotta do is like sew buns into your eyeballs or whatever. It's not that deep, and you could be living lavish. Like, I remember being the only child in the theater that was like, all you gotta do is sew on buns on your eyeballs. Like, sign me up. I want to see the gravy bone. But since Coraline was dumb, she was like, no, it's wrong. And then turns out the mother was like evil, and I was like, oh my god, I still would have done it. For highlight, I'm going to be using my Galaxy Chick BH Cosmetics palette. If I was a mermaid, like, watch out, Ariel, I'm coming for your throne. Actually, I'd probably be Ursula. Let's just be honest. I'm going to be using this for my eyebrows. So I need to be able to make a scale effect right here. And I've seen many MUAs do it with tights. So I'm gonna do it with tights. Oh my god. I look kinda, sorry, I was looking for what the frick? You look like SpongeBob about to rob me at the bank.
Oh
my gosh, you look like the bunny from Dangerous Woman.
Dangerous woman. I don't know the lyrics. Leave.
No, you brought us in, now we stay.
No, I banish you guys back to exile.
Banished back to exile.
My ASMR. This one is,
I look so creepy.
Give me your money. Under the sea, under the sea.
Guys, I can't get copyrighted. I'm gonna do scale highlight right here.
Oh, I got
Thank you guys, thank you. I'm gonna go in with this highlight. Alright, so I'm gonna take this all off now. Oh my gosh. Okay y'all, so this is the final look. The transformation total took a really long time, but it was definitely worth it. It's so fabulous. I feel so fabulous. I feel like a mermaid who just became super greedy and just stole all the diamonds and put them on my face, and I live for that. And my hair looks so cute. It's like tousled and some of it is still wet, but it literally looks like I just got out of the ocean, which was perfect. Definitely, I approve of this Not Your Mother's Beach wave line. It's so amazing. The salt sprays smelled amazing. Honestly, I feel like being a mermaid every day now, like, you know what I mean? Alright, well, y'all, I'm so hungry. This transformation almost took half a day, so it's insane. I hope y'all love the final look, and happy Halloween. But yeah, make sure to like and subscribe this video, or else my family won't be able to eat tonight. And comment down below other transformation suggestions, or just whatever you want. Well, I'ma head out. I'm gonna go hang out with SpongeBob and Patrick in Bikini Bottom, so peace.
Wait, Squidward invited you to his house? What the frick? He told me that you guys were hanging out today.
I was looking for what the frick?